The iPhone SE 3. It's here with me. And if you want to see, this is the place to be. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, here I do have the third generation of the iPhone SE. So per usual, new Apple product. Gotta unbox this. I live for moments like this. And before I go any further, I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Apple for actually sending over an iPhone SE for me to check out. So thank you, Apple. And with that having been said, without any further ado, the unboxing of the iPhone SE. Quick look at the box, you can see what the iPhone SE looks like on the outside there. Of course, still with the Touch ID button, and I'm really liking that wallpaper. On the right side of the box, iPhone. On the left side of the box, iPhone. Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and of course some more model information and serial number information, all that good stuff on the back. But as you can see, we do have two arrows here to start the unboxing process. No longer need a knife, which is always good, so we shall do that. One, two, and we're good to go. The moment we've been waiting for, the unboxing of the box. The actual here we go. The iPhone SE, third generation, in the midnight black color, which to this day I think is probably one of, if not my favorite, iPhone color of all time. So really excited to be able to check out this color with the actual iPhone SE. But, carefully here, without looking at too much, spoiling too much, we'll quickly put that to the side. Let's take a closer look at what else comes in the box. You will see, first up, we do have a USB-C to Lightning cable here. It is your typical white, rubberized, 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable. You'll need that to actually charge up your iPhone SE, unless of course you go the wireless route. And then also we do have a little packet of information here, which is actually that's it? Deceiving. You think it's gonna be thicker than it actually is, but we have a couple things here. First things first, a SIM card ejection tool. So you have that. You do have an ever so little packet of information here with some safety and handling information, battery and charging, all that good stuff. You could read through that if you want. And then last but not least, of course, your beloved Apple sticker. Would it really be an Apple unboxing experience if you did not get one of these bad boys right here? Love you. And that's all that comes in the box. Very simple unboxings from Apple these days. I like that. Much less waste than we've had in the past, so pretty simple. But a closer look at the star of the show right here, the iPhone SE. We do have some cellophane to un-cellophane. My heart is full. There's just something about that, man. Just something about this right here that it just feels so good. Feels so good for the soul. The iPhone SE, so you can see you do have a glass back, but one thing I'm loving are these matte black sides here. I'm telling you, the midnight black color, this is right up my alley. As much as I love the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and as much as this thing is a work of art, I would love for these sides to be matte. We finally got square edges, but if these were matte, just like you get here on the iPhone SE, but let's turn this baby on. There she goes. So pretty. There's something so fun about setting up an Apple device, even though I'm doing it for probably like the 100th time now, but still fun. But you don't have to worry about this. I'm gonna take care of this all for you. It'll all be done with a snap of my fingers. It's done. It's set up. The iPhone SE, third generation, turned on for the first time, and is pretty much exactly what you would expect. You have that classic bezel on the top and the bottom, your Touch ID, your camera up top, and on the sides you have your curved edges, no straight edges on the iPhone SE yet. And then of course you do have that camera on the back, which is even more powerful than ever before on the iPhone SE, so that's something I'm personally super excited to actually try out. I've always had a soft spot in my heart for smaller size phones these days because, well, clearly if you take a look at my iPhone 13 Pro Max with the size of this display, it's just so much easier to actually use a smaller size display, so I low-key kind of miss the smaller size displays, even though once you go big, you can't go back. But woo, all around, I'm very excited to be checking this phone out. Again, those matte sides blending perfectly with the midnight black color on the back and that ever so nicely accented Apple logo there. Love it. Per usual, if you guys want to check out the new iPhone SE for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone SE3, bmac.link/iPhone SE3, or of course, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, time to go take some selfies, take some photos, woo! You know what I'm gonna be doing for like the next 12 hours? Me, iPhone SE3, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. iPhone 13 Pro Max meets your new little brother, iPhone SE. I want you guys to get along. You both have your own perks and advantages of who you are, but at the same time, you could probably learn a thing from one another. So have fun.